Okay na kabog. Larga bulat tabog. Unsang orasa mo muuli nak? Saan? Unsang mong orasa mo uli? 11. Asa mo muni ito? Dito na?
Hospital.
Sa hospital lang mo ito. Dungan lang ta. Likado ba? Likado to. Delicates. Insert. Delicates. Balita rin.
To me, it was a great assurance because what can be greater than the presence of God with you? So that was then when I decided that okay, I will surrender. I'm not going to run away anymore now. So and see where God takes me. So then He let me down the path of full-time ministry.
Amazing. You know, just a bit of a story. Esther came in after I finished in seminary, like the semester after.
Yeah, 2017. Yeah, around.
So QBC has a close relationship with Baptist Theological Seminary in Singapore because that's a favorite place where we do our graduation ceremonies and other big events, you know. And there was also a time back in history when the seminary had its classes in QBC, right, for Queenstown Baptist Church. So as someone who's been in the seminary for quite some time, it's a joy to see new faces, you know, because the seminary is just small, and we kind of like familiarized all faces in the English students community and the Chinese students community. So everybody knows each other, although of course some of us in the international students community couldn't really speak Mandarin, but we communicate somehow through the Spirit with a smile and tap on backs and hey, yeah, what's up? So that's the beauty of it, you know. And looking at you right now, it's like wow, days run so fast, and you're already serving. So praise God for that. And these guys are quite familiar. Maybe we have bumped into each other one of those events, but really haven't had these conversations. We are blessed. Now we move to Bernie.
Okay, so
mga ka-rooftop na karon ako makita na to karon diri kini si Manong. Ang kugi kay ni siya og tinda sa iyang gulay. Yara man giangkat yata na tangkong, na kamuti og kuan bako. Unsa ka tingalan nimo? Pangalan nimo?
Mario.
Mario.
Manog.
Manog imong apelyido? Dili Magno. Manog lang. Ana baliktad no? Di ba na may Magno, na may Manog. Sige Mar, padayon Mar. Sa imong tulumanon. Ito si Mario Magno, Manog, Mario Manog. Ang iyang pangalan ni Mario dito. Sangay ni Mario Budis. So, kugihan siya mga ka-rooftop ang iyang baligya. Tangkong, udlot sa kamuti, galay sa kamuti, o kuan, kanang pako. Rinig ba ng pako? Ang taon ng pako ron kung asa nakita nun. Pero siya nasa supply ng pako. So, ginaangkat rin ito niya. Ginahatag ginagawa na palit. Yayarap pong benta. Siguro, ang pako, Jace ang yung palit. Ang benta po niya, 20 at least na siya, ginansya. So, tahan. Okay, labang ta. Mga ka-rooftop. So, naduri akong gisundan si ito, Brother Sandro. Naduri sunod ko ni Kampon Apps. Insert to doon ni Bitong. Sunod mga ka-rooftop. Okay, sa'yo kayo. Morning! Sa'yo kayo ang tingin ito. Bulong-boy. Balik ka sa itong fisto. Dari mga crafter, dari ko nung bakante. Dari akong plaster. Kahapon kung siya dili siya maigo, hindi na maigo sa init, so tira dito. Okay, darata. Bye bye everyone.